I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Crossword Collage Challenge hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Design. And we don't really have a prompt. The only thing required is a crossword puzzle and something written in like a title or something written in the letters. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage. And check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. She is so funny and I love to see what she makes. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, here's my finished project. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I have enjoyed using these ladies. This has been a lot of fun. But this one is Times Past. You've got the old car and the old bird cage and the old bicycle and the dress form and the old key. And I've used a combination of Tim Holtz and Paper Studio die cuts. I'm not sure where my lady came from. I had a page of different ladies. I'm not sure if it was a freebie or if I bought it. But there's all kinds of images you can find. And I don't have the book that Barbie has for the crosswords, so she suggested I look online, and I just printed out some crosswords to use and just cut it out. So I hope y'all have a great and wonderful week. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out that hashtag 2023 CW Collage. And until next time, bye y'all.